Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to enable two-step verification in the Telegram app on Android. This simple security feature helps protect your account from unauthorized access and ensures only you can log in. Let's get started and keep your data safe. Open the Telegram app on your Android device. Tap three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, choose Privacy and Security. Scroll down and tap on Two-Step Verification. Now tap on Set Password. Enter a secure password of your choice. Re-enter the same password to confirm it. You will now be asked to enter a password hint. You can type something helpful or tap Skip to continue without it. Next, add your recovery email address. This email will be used if you forget your password. Telegram will send you a PIN code to the email you provided. Check your inbox and enter the code in the app. Once the code is confirmed, two-step verification will be successfully enabled for your Telegram account. And that's it. You've now added an extra layer of security to your Telegram account. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.